Asi, what's that?
Ducks. One of the duck is black and white only.
How many ducks you can see?
4. Guys.
What do you know about ducks?
They like to swim and eat.
Okay.
And they like to walk in one too.
They like what?
Walking too.
Walking, yes.
And they like eating grass too. They literally don't.
Okay, you can say bye, we are going.
Oh, the flower smells nice, and it looks like deep.
Careful. Ивана, сложите двата крака заедно, мамо, един до друг. Двата крака заедно, мамо, събери краката. Ай, така, да, окей, well done. Изправено сега главата, гърба изправен. This is very good for your spine. Very good for your spine.
That's why they made it.
Yes.
But I can make it fast.
Изправи гърба, изправен да си, изправен. Изправи се точно така. Well done. Straight. Be straight. How are you, Ивана? Стъпи с двата крака хубаво, горе се хвани. Горе се хвани с двете ръце. Горе. Careful.
We are progressive. Every single day we are giving a bit of work. We are so happy and pleased to see the changes in our allotments. The kids have unique opportunity to be close to nature and receive a knowledge how to grow and take care about their own food. They seem to enjoy and especially enjoying watering. They enjoy also collecting slugs, snails and worms, which they happily donate to the chickens of our neighbor. As you can see, we have strawberries, rhubarb, herbs, and these are our special marigolds, which were donated by our friend, Mr. Marcus. We have some potatoes too. and a lot of grass, which is waiting for mommy. And this big pail of grass will be donated to the chickens of our friend Yana. Thanks for watching.